Hey guys, in the last session we have seen the theory portion, that is deflection, wave crippling, wave buckling, like that. And in this session we will solve a numerical problem based on design of beam. So the numerical is determine the design bending strength of ISLV 350 at the rate 486 Newton meter. Means we have to find the other properties or the data related to ISLV 350 at the rate 486 Newton meter from steel table. Okay. Now considering the beam to be laterally supported, it is given that beam is laterally supported. The design shear force is less than the the design shear force V is less than the design shear strength, means V is less than VD. The unsupported length of beam is 3 meter. Okay, and assume steel of grade Fe 410, means Fy will be 250 Newton per mm square. Now uh, we know that Fy will be this much. Okay, so we have to take safety factor gamma mo is equal to 1.10. Okay, now the relevant properties related to ISLB 350. Properties of ISLB 350 at the rate 486 Newton per meter is, first of all, depth of section, that is H, is 350 because it is ISLB 350. So depth of section is 350. Width of flange is 165 mm. Width of flange, thickness of flange TF will be, TF is 11.4 mm. Thickness of wave TW is 7.4 mm. Radius at root R1 is 16 mm. Now depth of wave is, depth of wave will be D is equal to H minus 2 TF plus R1. So it will be 350 minus 2 into TF is 11.4 plus R1 is 16. So this becomes 295.2 mm. So we have calculated the depth of wave. Now IZ is 13158.3 into 10 to power 4 mm. 4 IY is 631.9 into 10 to power 4 mm. Z, plastic section of modulus about Z axis is 851.11 into 10 to power 3 mm. Elastic modulus about Z axis is, ZE is 751.9 into 10 to power 3 mm. And radius of curvature, radius of gyration about Y axis is 31.7 mm. So this much data is given in steel table. Okay, So steel table is very much essential for solving the beam question for design of beam. Now now next we have to classify the section. So for classification of section, we know that if by tf bf by tf ratio from table 2, okay, in table 2 of IS 2800 2007, okay. So in that portion, in this portion, it is given that the section is classified as plastic, compact or semi compact, okay. So there is certain value from which it is to be decided that whether it is in plastic range or elastic or semi compact range or in compact range, okay. So it is, okay, this is plastic range, this is compact range, and this is semi compact range, okay. So if b by tf ratio is less than 9.4 epsilon and d by tw is less than 84 epsilon, like that, so then uh, the section is classified based upon this data, okay. Now epsilon is root 250 by root over 250 by fy, okay. So now we have to calculate b by tf. So b bf is 165 and tf is 11.4, okay. Now here bf means width of whole section, total section is 165, so b will be 165 by 2, okay. So sorry, b by tf, so b will be 165 by 2, so it is equal to 7.23, therefore it is less than 9.4. No, sorry, this is epsilon, and for here it is given that fy is 250, so epsilon value is 250 by 250 root over means 1, so it is less than 9.4 epsilon, okay. Now we have to determine d by tw value also. So d by tw, it is d is our d is 295.2 and tw is 7.4, so it is 295.2 divided by 7.4, it is 39.89 and it is less than 84 epsilon. So the chosen the given section is a lie in plastic range, because b by tf ratio is less than 9.4 and d by tw is ratio is less than 84 epsilon. So therefore section is plastic, and for plastic section beta b is 1.0. We know for plastic section beta b is 1.0. Now d by tw is 39.9 and it is also less than 67 epsilon, okay. So there is no need of checking shear buckling of wave, so therefore shear buckling check of wave will not require. Okay, now so for laterally supported beam, so for laterally supported beam, for laterally supported beam, the design bending capacity will is, so the design bending capacity is MD, and it is equal to beta B multiplied by ZPZ multiplied by Fy by gamma MO. So beta B is 1.0, ZPZ is our ZPZ is 851.11 multiplied by 851.11 into 10 to the power 3, and Fy is 250 by gamma MO is 1.1. Okay, so it is equal to 193.43 kilonewton meter. Okay, now it should be less than 1.2 ZeFy by gamma M. So 1.2 ZE is 751.9 into 10 to the power 3. Fy is 250 by gamma mo is 1.1. So it will come to is this much value. 1.2 ZeFy is equal to 205.06 kilonewton meter. So here 193.43 kilonewton meter is less than 205.06 kilonewton meter. So this design is okay. ठीक है, therefore bending strength is 193.43 kilonewton. So that's how we have to solve the problem related to laterally supported beam. Okay, so guys, that's it for this session. In next session we will solve another question based on it. Till then, be at home, be safe in this quarantine period. God bless you. Namaskar.